You say go.
Okay, go. Okay, guys, this is Moshe again from Moshe Reggae Lounge. I'm gonna tell you a little story about this fish that these guys is tasting. Let me introduce them first. What's your name, my love?
Hello, my name is Yvonne. Yvonne from Canada.
Yvonne from Canada. And your name?
Gabriel.
And Gabriel. I'm gonna tell you a story. They were passing a table that I make this Rastaman fish. It's a different name for it, but I'm calling it Rastaman because people copy everything I do. They copy it and try to sell it. So this is the Rastaman fish, and they wanted to have some. I told them it takes about an hour or more. Almost 2 hours they waited. And now they just tasted it. So I wanted to do a video to see how they like it while they're tasting it. Now, Gabriel and her husband, can you tell me, what do you think about the fish?
Let me see. Let's taste it live.
Taste it live. That's what I said.
Okay.
Live taste. Did you taste the sauce? Well, he tasted.
I'm taking a piece of sauce.
Take your time. Take your time. Don't rush.
No, I'm just gonna have the fish.
Fish first.
Now that's good.
You see that?
Oh yes, c'est un retardement.
Ah yeah, habla French. Mas. Look at that.
That's real good.
Okay, guys, you see that? Now you, in French if you like. He speaks French.
Excellent.
Excellent. Okay, so guys, anything else?
No.
Hey guys, listen, thank you for waiting. It was a pleasure. I'm glad you decided to wait. I tell people, if you don't have time to wait, I don't have time to cook. Because I don't cook fast food. Me's a Rastaman from Jamaica, and we don't do bull crap. Alright?
No, it's done with love.
There you go. That's
one love, peace and love.
Blessed love. And she's Jamaican, guys. I forget to tell you, she is Jamaican. Alright? So, and they're from Canada. Guys, so check it out. I don't want to put a... Listen to me now. You treat everybody, treat people the way you would like them to treat you. And the world will be a better place. The world is like a mirror, reflecting what you do. If you face it smiling, it smiles back at you. Boom, shaka attack. Moshe coming at you from Moshe Reggae Lounge, the Dominican Republic. Oh, one more thing, guys. Listen, I want you guys to do one thing when you come to Dominican Republic. Okay? Try all the food, all the restaurants, and come and try my food. I'm not going to tell you that I'm the best, because you're going to do the test. Self-praise is no recommendation. You do the test, okay? Blessed love, respect. Look at the beautiful beach. It's quiet on the beach, but it's a beautiful day in the Dominican Republic. Let me walk down a little bit and show you what's going on. Yesterday it was crowded over here, but just the same, we're having fun in the DR. While the world is closed down, we're over here in Dominican Republic having fun. Yes, we're over here having fun. And my boys over here playing chess. Okay, this is my boy from Santo Domingo. He here with love playing chess. And William and the people over there, beautiful people.
Over here with Jamaica, man.
Yeah. Them love man. Jamaica, see? Good thing we are defend. All right, guys, so peace out from Moshe Reggae Lounge. One love every time.